Once you have your banner the way you want it, go to File, Save As, go to Google Drive File Stream, My Drive, Web Design, and then name it Banner and hit Save. This file will be editable if you ever want to go back and change it later. Then we'll save a copy for the website. So we'll go up a folder, go to Website. If you have a folder named Images, open that. If not, create a new folder called Images. Open it. Change your type to flattened PNG and hit Save. This will be a smaller file, but it's not editable. That will be perfect for using on your website. Then we'll switch over to Dreamweaver. If you don't have your Properties bar at the bottom, go to Window, Properties. If it's not docked at the bottom, drag it until you see the blue line, and you can let go and it will attach. Then open up the Files panel. Click the arrow next to your folder, and it should expand, and you should be able to see your images and then the banner file that we just saved. If you don't see it yet, click the refresh button at the bottom of the Files panel to reload the files. Then we need to create a file for our website. We're going to right click on the site folder and do a new file. We'll name this file Index. Index is the default file that is loaded whenever a website opens a folder. If I double click on Index, it should be blank. I'm going to make sure that in my dropdown I am set to design. Then I'm going to drag my banner over onto my page. We'll see the source code for our image added to our code. I'm going to add a description that gets added to the code. And then I want to put this inside of a paragraph. So I'm going to click on my picture, press the left arrow to go right in front of it, and press enter one time. If it creates an extra space at the top so that there's two paragraphs, I can just hit backspace to clear that top paragraph. And I'm going to go to design so I can see the whole page. And to center this, I'm going to go to CSS Designer. I'm going to add a source, and I'm going to do define in page to make an internal CSS. In the code, it looks like this. Then I'm going to go to selectors, and I'm going to add paragraph. You see the rule for paragraph show up. Then I'm going to add a property, so you can just click in the box for text align, center. And once that code is added, our paragraph gets centered, which centers our image on our page. I'm going to go up to Window and make sure that my standard toolbar is turned on. It will probably show up on the top left corner above the DW icon. If you drag that down a little bit, you'll see a blue bar, but if you let go, you'll have your standard toolbar. Since our index has not been saved, I'm going to click the Save button, or I can click the Save All button. I can switch back to Files, and then I want to upload everything. So I'm going to highlight Site, click the up arrow. It will ask if you wish to put the entire site. That means upload everything. You'll hit OK, and then it will transfer everything. Then we'll switch over to the site. We'll check ourselves, and we'll see that that now loads on the page.